This is your Weather Authority forecast.
And now we talk weather. Had plenty of snowfall make its way through southern Wisconsin, and then today, a little bit more snowfall on top of that. Just a really quick light dusting that we had settle over the region to kind of freshen up the blanket of snow that we already have out there. The snow has now ended, and along with it, skies gradually clearing up and colder temperatures. So we get rid of the winter precipitation and we bring in the winter temperatures. It's about to get a whole lot colder, as we mentioned a little bit earlier in the broadcast. But here's where we're sitting for now. This is the warm spot, if you will. Today's overall high temperature, 29 degrees, just 2 degrees above average. In fact, the morning low was just 2 degrees cooler than the average high, where we sat at 25. We usually see a morning low of around 12 degrees, but it's about to drop below these temperatures here, at least for the next couple of days. So it'll start feeling more and more like winter time here as we head through the next couple of days. From the University of Wisconsin Space Science and Engineering Center's SkyCam, there it is. Nice little take of the skies throughout the day today. We saw one very brief break in the clouds, a little bit of sunshine. That's it for now. A little bit more sunshine on the way as we head into the day tomorrow. But let's talk snow totals first. This is what we freshened up for the day today. The big storm, it happened over the 28th and 29th. We saw anywhere from generally 4 to 8 inches around our viewing area. Beaver Dam, 7 inches. Here in Madison, between the west side at 6.3, out to the airport at 5.9 inches of snowfall. Snow varied in totals between, well, one neighborhood and the next one over. But again, generally we were between that 4 and 8 inch range, but the heavier amounts were out toward Milwaukee. Actually, some neighborhoods there, although we have 9 inches on this map, saw 10.5 inches in Milwaukee. So it was an interesting one, and then we brought in a light dusting on top of that today, and we brought our temperatures up to 29, and now they're beginning to cool back off. Skies still cloudy, 28 degrees for Madison, Watertown, up into Baraboo. Montello, you're still sitting at 29, while Janesville and Beloit, you're tied up for the warm spot on the map. You and Milwaukee both at 30 degrees. And as we look at our high temperatures throughout the rest of the Midwest, note that things keep getting a little cooler as we look further out to the west and northwest. The Twin Cities at 24 degrees, just the teens in Fargo and Bismarck, North Dakota. That's their high temperatures for the day so far. And that's what's moving in our direction. As we look at our sky conditions, we see all of our clouds moving from the west to the east. So that's the shift that we're seeing. So those colder temperatures are definitely on their way. Let's talk sky conditions, though. As we head through the night tonight into the day tomorrow, 8:30 a.m., still cloudy. By the afternoon hours, we poke a few holes in the clouds, allow for some sunshine to come in, but we're going to be looking at cooler temperatures as those skies gradually clear up. Tonight, we're down to 18 degrees. Tomorrow, it's an auspicious day. 22 for the overall high, but auspicious because it is the last day of 2015. And also because I get to bring you this, the new and improved super gaudy forecast graphic for New Year's Eve. Now with more bling, folks. That 7 on there, it's not your lucky number. That is the overnight low temperature. By early morning on New Year's Day, 7 degrees is all we're looking at. Mostly clear skies, and we keep it cool for the day on New Year's Day. Friday's high temperature, 21 degrees. We managed to warm it up heading into the weekend, though. Plenty of sunshine. Get those Ray-Bans out. You'll need them on Saturday. But also, keep that parka handy. 29 for the high. We keep it in the 20s straight through the beginning of next week and warm it just shy of the freezing mark by midweek next week. That's a look at the Weather Authority forecast. We'll be right back.